Replay ay handog ng Santa Ana Park.
Away they go. Batong Silyar fast to begin running by the rallies Macedonian. And on the outside is Reyes Gold. Down on the inside is Maglev. Kay Jason racing fourth last and of post 5 o'clock second last. And So Gorgeous is the early trailer. Batong Silyar by some 3 lengths followed by Macedonian. Reyes Gold is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Maglev running down on the inside together with K. Jason unopposed. So Gorgeous now second last and 5 o'clock now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Batong Silyar by some 5 lengths. Macedonian is running in second. Alongside is Reyes Gold. Maglev down on the inside. K. Jason racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santa Ana stretch run with Batong Silyar. It's leading by some 2 lengths followed by Macedonian. Maglev is sneaking down on the inside. Reyes Gold and nearing the last 100 meters more to run itself. Batong Silyar and finally Batong Silyar second. Reyes Gold, Macedonian, unopposed, Maglev, Kay Jason, So Gorgeous, and